What's up, kiddos? Okay, so I feel like I'm making this video a little late because y'all just gonna know. But in today's video, it is kind of like a vlog, but not really a vlog, if that makes sense. Basically, I'm trying out for UNCP's cheer team, and it's called the Spirit Squad. So today is the day before tryouts, but yeah, I've been working really hard to make the team, so hopefully I make the team. So yeah, today I'm just working on my jumps, I'm stretching, but throughout the whole 2 months that I've really been like working really hard, I learned how to jump and I can stretch a little better. Oh, and I know the fight song too for cheer tryouts. So yeah, that's all I've been working on. I also had someone help me out who's already on the team. She's been helping me out and she's been doing a wonderful job because I look good. So hopefully I'll make the team, guys. But yeah, this is the day before tryouts and I just wanted to just update you guys or just lead the video into what it's supposed to be. But yeah, you guys are gonna see me get ready tomorrow morning for tryouts. We have tryouts from 8:30 to 3 and it's just one day. I think she chooses that day. I'm not sure if she chooses that day, like who she wants on the team, but she does. I mean, honestly, I feel like that's a little better because I don't have to wait so long. So I'm really excited. I've been working really hard, so I don't know. I'm gonna try to get clips in of me trying out, but who knows how it will be. I don't want to say I'm nervous. I'm more really excited, but yeah, I'm just really excited. I'm going to insert some clips of me practicing my jumps because they honestly got better. I used to jump like a starfish, like, ooh, it was just terrible. But now I jump okay. It's still not up there. It's still not my best. It's still not a cheerleader. Disclaimer, guys, I've never cheered a day in my life, like ever. Like, I'm so serious. So this is just a whole new experience for me, but I'm really excited to do it. So why not? The light is hitting me really good, you know. Oh yeah, I don't know what to do with my hair for tryouts. So y'all gonna see that in the morning too, because I'm gonna do like a get ready with me vlog too. But yeah, guys, I'm just really excited. Oh my god. I'm so excited, but I'm nervous too. God got me though, okay? Jesus Christ, he has me. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say, guys. I just want to do a little check-in with you guys. But roll the clip of my jumps. Good morning, guys. Today is cheer tryouts. It is 6:16 in the morning. I just finished washing my face. As y'all can see, it's so glistening, and so is my lips. Yeah, guys, it's the day. So I'm about to pack my cheer bag. I already know what I want in it. And then after that, I'm going to do my makeup. My hair is already done. Curled it last night. And I did 2 braids in the front because I know I'm going to be sweating and I don't want my edges to look a hot mess. But yeah, I'm so excited. If I can film some of it, I will. But if I can't, I can't. But anyways, pray for me, guys. Like right now, just take a prayer. Like, moment of silence. Pray for Camille. Amen. Okay, so this is how I'm looking, and my phone has no space, so I'm gonna have to delete a lot of stuff just to get film for today or footage for today. But yeah, this is how it's looking. I took the pins out. This side is cute. This side is just not it. I don't really feel like even recurling it or anything, so I'm not even gonna do that. I could just like put it in a ponytail, but I might just save that for later. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just save that for later and just keep my hair like this, even though I don't like how it looks. But yeah, so I don't have enough time. I'm actually about to leave. It is 7:01 and I want to get there by 7:30. So yeah, I really don't like how it looks. I never like how it looks, so you guys already know the process. Y'all thought I was gonna like my hair? No. Anyways, I'm talking fast because my phone is going to run out of storage, so I'll just see you guys later. Bye. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys how I look all together, just in the bathroom, because the bathroom lighting is way better. But this is how I look, guys. I'm so excited. You're supposed to come like game day ready, so this is how I'll probably look for a game, maybe, depending on if I wear my hair straight or curly. But this is the outfit. Hey Didi, are you excited?
Yes, I'm tired, but I'm excited.
Yeah, I'm really excited, but I don't know. I'm kind of nervous, but we're gonna thug it out though. Yes, okay, so we just have a lunch break, but we just finished. I do cheer, they're doing out for a dance.
I'm kind of on both, but we ain't going.
She want to do both. She don't know what she want to do. I stunned it for the first time.
Yeah.
My wrist hurt, but it's okay. How'd y'all think it went?
It's so well, okay so far. There's
Okay.
like one thing that I'm not sure of.
But
So
you
I'm
got
scared
it.
about that, but other than that, we're good.
Okay, I think I'm good too. But we're gonna see. Hopefully we all make it. So yay. Guys, we all made it! Super excited. Okay, y'all, my hair looks like a hot mess, but I am back in my room. I'm just so excited. I'm just so happy. I honestly cannot believe I freaking made the team, but I freaking made the team. Oh my god. And y'all, I have zero experience in cheer, and I made a team. So if I can do it, you can do it. If you're thinking about joining a team, just go out there and do it. Just try, because I am a living representation.
What?
What's the word? I don't know. Testimony. A living testimony that you can do it even if you never tried it before. But yeah, this is just gonna make me go harder, like 100 times harder. I've already been practicing for this day, so now I'm gonna just keep practicing to make everything better. I'm just really happy, really excited that I made it. It's not much for me to say. I'm about to go take a shower and go to sleep because that took all day. It's 2:30, so yeah, I'm tired. I want to go to sleep. Okay, so hey guys, my hair has completely dropped. Y'all saw how I looked this morning, but it is dropped. I just kind of wanted to go into detail a little bit of like what I did today because you guys didn't really see much. I didn't even vlog the tryouts, mainly because I was nervous and I really wanted to stay focused. So I didn't vlog any of that, but I'm just gonna tell you guys like, I guess the process and me. So I never cheered a day in my life, but I knew I wanted to cheer. So for the past 2 months, I was like literally practicing like how to move my arms, like the motions of how to move your arms correctly. YouTube, y'all, if y'all don't know how to do anything, look on YouTube. YouTube has all your answers, okay? So basically for like the first month, I was literally by myself, just like jumping, learning how to jump, learning how to stretch my legs very good so I can learn how to do a split and all that stuff. So I'm very flexible now. Not that flexible. I still can't do a split, but I'm getting there. So yeah, for the first month, I was literally just learning off of YouTube how to do like cheer motions and stuff like that and how to jump. And then the second month, which was the month before cheer tryouts, I found a person. Her name is Dee Dee. You guys seen her in a vlog. Her hair is really curly. Yeah, Dee Dee, she helped me out. I found her, and me and her have a class together, and I realized that she was already on the team, but she's a dancer, not a cheerleader, but she has like cheer background. So I asked her if she could help me out, and ever since then she was helping me out. Like every week she'll come out to the track. I went to the track every day except for Mondays, because I have a busy schedule on Mondays and I have class all the way to 8 p.m. so I couldn't go to track. And then Saturdays I don't work out. So Sunday, Tuesday through Friday, I go to the track and I work out. So she will meet me out there and just help me perfect everything. So I'm really thankful for her. Like seriously, thank you, Dee Dee, because you helped me out a lot. So yeah, so I knew I wanted to cheer, so I just dedicated myself towards that. I'm really happy that I'm like that like if I have my mindset on something, I do it and I go for it, and I go for it hard. So yeah, I'm really thankful for everyone who has helped me out too. Dee Dee was not like the only person, but I'm really thankful for like the little gems people have gave me. So that is the little background of my cheer. I just started basically. Okay, cheer tryouts. So I get there super early to help basically set up for tryouts. That's how early I got there. I helped her move out the mats and everything and tape up the mats and stuff. And then after that, we warmed up and we learned a cheer, and we learned a sideline, and then we learned another cheer, and then we learned the fight song, which is like the song that you do all the time because that's your fight song for the school. And so we learned all those and I did great. It was my first time ever stunting, so I had to learn how to stunt, and I did amazing. I never dropped my flyer. My group never dropped our flyer. We did really awesome. The connections I was making in there was just amazing. It was just, everybody was just so positive. People were so willing to help. That's one thing I like to say too. If you're trying out, you have to be confident and don't be afraid to ask for help. Girl, yesterday I was literally in there asking the captain, is there anything I need to fix? But she told me nothing. But still, ask people or pull someone aside, veteran. This is the thing too. Pull veterans aside and ask them, is my motions okay? Am I doing it correctly? Is there anything I need to fix? Do I need to be louder? Pull veterans aside. Like, that's a key too. Pull veterans aside, pull anybody aside. I was pulling girls who were trying out just like I was trying out. I was pulling everybody aside, to be honest. Ask for help. I'm not afraid to ask for help ever because I want to make sure that I look good. So that was one thing that I really think that really helped me out, especially having a positive attitude as well. So yes, the only thing that I kept on saying in my head was like, because I read my devotional and this week was about fear. And so in the devotional, it said, when fear is knocking at your door, answer with faith. So I kept on saying that in my head. Y'all should think about that too. If y'all ever scared, let faith answer the door, because faith is Jesus, okay? And he got your back. So I kept on saying that and I was good. We had a lunch break. After we learned everything, we had a lunch break. We came back and basically performed it for her. And then after that, you guys see the little hallway clip, and that is just me showing you guys that we were waiting to see the results. And then she posted them up on the door, and then I showed you guys that I made the team. It was just like that. I'm so glad it was a one-day tryout, because if it was a two-day tryout, my head would have been, I don't know, it just would have been all over the place, because I know myself, me just even practicing what I just did it again, I know I would have messed up today because I would have been in my head. So I'm really thankful that she did a one-day tryout. I know people usually do like 3 or a weekday or something like that, but she did a one-day tryout and it was great. So I'm just happy and thankful that I made it, and I'm just really excited for the season. I've always wanted to be a cheerleader and now I am her. So yay. Just so excited, guys. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say. I just wanted to fill you guys in to the pieces that were missing in the video, because obviously I didn't really show much. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that part. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you can become a kiddo, because we will be a kiddo. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.